Often when you're editing spreadsheets, you need to do things that are repetitive, like insert lines. Now, maybe you don't want to insert 5 lines in a block, but maybe you want to put a line between, say, row 2 and 3, a blank line for whatever reason. I can simply right-click on the row heading and choose Insert. Now, if I then need to go down and insert that in other places, rather than me having to select the row number, right-click and choose Insert, because that's the last action that I did, I can simply press the F4, the function 4 key on my keyboard, and that will repeat whatever the last action was. And it will allow me to keep doing it. Now, the only thing you need to be aware of here is if you're on a laptop, you may need to use a function key in combination with the FN key. You'll know if you need to use it because to the left of the spacebar will be a button with the letters F and N on it for function. So that's a great handy little shortcut to repeat whatever your last action was in Excel.